everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you wherever you're watching this program from. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed, and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned whenever I post a new video. Also, don't forget to share your comments and views in the comment section. ESN is at it again. There comes yet another Fulani camp as they burn down their houses again.
This is Eastern Security Network. Today is 7th February 2021. You can see it now. Their house is not burning. We want them to leave the land. They refuse to leave. We told them that they leave the land by force. You can see it now. We want them to leave our land. They refuse. They will leave it by force now. As you can see now, their house is really burning. Well, this is Eastern Security Network giving them quick notice to leave the land. That there's not how the indigenous will leave the land for them, rather than we will leave the land for the indigenous people. This is the beginning. We will not take it easy for them. Next time, it will be a very difficult task for them. This is an Eastern Security Network. Yes, as you can see it now, it's not happening. Rain, now. As you can see it now, next time will be too dangerous for them.
On another video, which you're about to watch now, Igbariam youths vacate Fulani herdsmen with their cows. They escort them as they are leaving the village. Watch the video.
Zipopụta ndị ọzọ ini na ọbụrụ sọsọ eji anụ anọ n'Igbariam. Obodo ndị ọzọ asụcha ha. Anyị anọdụ ebe a. Ndị ọzọ ini so ndị ọzọ ini, ndị ke so ndị ke agaba ọpụ. Hey! Ka jigwo ka pigwa cha ha nyafa. Ha ka ho? Ma ha na-elikwa nli. Ha na-eli nli bụ ndị a. Na Kuhau ime city. Aha, good and city. Pap, ida ma mkwo ge ni sina igavija na ina yala. Kuhau city. Unga. Aya joro zunu. Kwasia Fulani. Hey. Putani ruya. Mama gola, gavalo wage. Oburo. Bawan. Bia iwu na agba na na-emebi ụmụra mmụọ na-aga.
Money reigns in Benin. I don't know what is really happening these days, but whatever reason, I only want people to understand that insecurity is a very big challenge in Nigeria as it stands now. Things are no longer happening the way it used to be before. So whatever anybody is doing, should be careful about how you throw money. It is good to throw money away. It is good to spray money. It is good to rejoice when you make money, because poverty is not good as well. And nobody will say, I want to be poor either. But while you are staying in a community where you know that insecurity is becoming the order of the day, I think some of the public things that people do should be done guidedly, or even avoid it entirely. Watch the video yourselves.
They're the type of destiny. And they throw money, every year don't cast for me. Yeah, so more than the pig. and direct. I want to do besides. Life and direct. Oh, Yahoo boys they throw money. Oh, don't carry your head this time.